Now we can customize a barcode. So you can just click heads and items or product. For customization, at least we need to select an item and select the print barcode. So our barcode window will be open, and I just choose this barcode for editing. Okay. And if the display is not coming, you can just refresh template. After that, you can click on the preview. If there is any issues on the refresh template, it will be fixed. Now click settings and redesign template for the designing. First I want to set for my label size, sticker size. This width is 2-inch width and height is 1 inch. And same the setting I want to, as per the ruler, I want to set the same width also. You can reduce a 1 millimeter less, no need to give 2 exactly, just little bit less. Now I am adjusting for the lines. This is the header section. So I am giving for the company name here. And this one same like Microsoft Word. I can, whatever the required, we can edit simply. And as per the customer requirement, the price should be on the top line. So from the down, I'm just to cut and paste onto the top line. Depending on the customer requirement, we can design it anything. Small adjustment I am making. So the header section is ready, and this is the barcode section, the small box showing on the picture box, they are showing the barcode on the printing time. Here the product name will be displayed here. That one also I cut from there and paste it on the top line, because the customer requirement is like that. Product name also should be on the top. So I can adjust the size also. Okay, done it. This is the barcode will show here, not barcode picture, just barcode as a text. So same this designer, you can design it whatever you need as per your requirement. You can design it any sticker size, any page size, anything will be supported, and even you can add the content as per your requirement also. So after finishing the editing, I need to just choose another one template and show. After that, I need to come back this template also to see the preview. Directly it will not show the preview. So this is the first sample. So I need to more editing. So same, I go for the redesign template. Still not satisfied, so again I need to make this one as a middle. Side view is not comfort. Again save and close. Okay, and moving another template and click show preview. After that, return back to our template. And here you can choose your page size, which size. But here I use for the custom because it is the specified sticker size not available on the list. And here we can choose our barcode printer, which printer, and how many quantity required you can select on the quantity also. For that you can test the printing. Now this is very small barcode on this item, 4-digit barcode. I want to just edit the barcode as a big barcode, and I want to try it how it was looking. So this is the present barcode. In this field I can edit what is the barcode. So I edit the new barcode. This is the barcode. Just update. And I search the item as a barcode search. Here I can search for barcode scan and search that barcode as new barcode. This is the new barcode for this item. Just print barcode. Now the barcode look will be different because the barcode number will be little bigger, not like before. Thank you.
AccroBIZ. Simplify your calculations. www.accrobiz.com